Are you a woman over 35 and would like to start losing weight fast without starving yourself? How would you like to be able to burn fat fast without killing yourself with endless hours of mind-numbing cardio? Make sure you pay close attention to this entire video because you are about to discover an effective, step-by-step diet plan to lose weight fast, specifically designed for women over 35 years of age. Step 1. Clean out your cabinets. You're going to need to change your diet plan to lose weight fast. The best thing to do when starting a new diet is to clean out your cabinets to rid your home of tempting foods. You're going to want to get rid of any foods containing a high number of carbs. This can include foods like pastas, breads, and pastries. Also take some time to clean out your fridge and throw out that ice cream in the freezer. This will help you make room for the next step. Step 2. Go on a food shopping spree. Your weight loss diet plan will need to include tons of lean protein, vegetables, and fruits. Skip past the junk food aisle. During this step, look out for foods you can substitute with better options. Instead of pasta, you can try zucchini noodles. But your swaps don't have to be drastic. Make simple changes to help you lose more weight. Step 3. Find healthy recipes. Everyone likes to enjoy a delicious meal. A lot of people have their minds made up that eating a healthier diet means that you must sacrifice taste. In actuality, there are tons of skinny recipes for weight loss available online. One great recipe is baked chicken and broccoli. You will be getting lean protein as well as broccoli, which is high in nutrients and low in carbs and fat, making it a great option for a healthy side for your lunch or dinner plate. Step 4. Eat smart. Your metabolism will continue to deteriorate as you age. This means that your body won't be able to help you burn calories as fast as it once did when you were younger. Instead of sticking to 3 meals a day, enjoy several smaller meals to keep your metabolism active so that you can burn fat and lose weight fast. Step 5. Get moving. Many women around the age of 35 have children, a job, and a social life to maintain. This can mean that there isn't much time for traditional exercise. Take advantage of family time by exercising or make healthy switches like choosing to take the stairs over the elevator. Take advantage of small breaks at work or in between errands. If you're not used to exercising, it's important that you start off slow and build up to a more rigorous exercise plan. If you follow these 5 easy steps to a healthier you, the differences in your body will be noticeable. Combine changes in your diet with changes in your movement to see the best results. If you're serious about burning your stubborn body fat fast, and would like to discover the one veggie you need to stop eating to lose 1 pound of belly fat every 72 hours, then go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free video or click the link in the description below. Inside this free video, you will discover how Sharon, a 43-year-old overweight mom from St. Louis, Missouri, dropped 41 pounds of stubborn belly fat by cutting out one veggie from her diet. To watch the free video, go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free video or click the link in the description below right now.